Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Microsoft shareholders voted against a resolution to add Bitcoin to the company's balance sheets during the firm's annual meeting. It was recommended that company uses between 1% and 5% of the firm's profits to purchase Bitcoin. The board called the proposal unnecessary and said the company already carefully considers this topic. Shares of Google parent Alphabet rose about 5% after it unveiled a new generation chip that the company said helped overcome a key challenge in quantum computing. The new chip is called Willow, and it solved in 5 minutes a computing problem that would take a classical computer more time than the history of the universe. Gold prices hit a 2-week high, underpinned by rising geopolitical tensions and expectations of a third US rate cut by the Federal Reserve next week, while the market's gaze shifted to US inflation data. The pound-dollar pair made a minor upward correction in the last session, gaining 0.1%. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 2.2% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The Aussie fell 0.8% against the dollar in the last trading session. According to the CCI, we are in an oversold market. The dollar-yen pair rose 0.3% in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. As the week unfolds, the economic calendar will spotlight major economic data, alongside reports of moderate importance. Traders should stay vigilant, as these events may signal shifts in market momentum and investor confidence. Staying prepared for the market impact of these events is crucial. The potential volatility might present chances for strategic repositioning in the days ahead.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.